Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today, I have a little crushed egg. But today, I have the Look Fantastic Spring Beauty Egg to show you guys. Do you want to know what's inside my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. This always happens to me. Like, why? The box was demolished. You can see inside, and the inside box was demolished. And then when you take off the lid, the egg inside is all bent up and all like discombobulated and everything in here as well. So this is FedEx at its finest. They really take good care of our packages. like why? So I'm gonna go ahead and tell you about this beauty egg. If you want to know what is going to be inside, and if you want to see if it's still available, I will link it all down below. As of right now, it is still available. Again, this is the Spring Beauty Egg by Look Fantastic. They did send me this for review, so thank you so much, Look Fantastic, for sending me your beauty egg to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. I just wish that FedEx took a little bit more care into my package and it would have came in a better condition to show you guys, but let's get this going. There is a pamphlet that is gonna probably go over all of the different items. Yes, it will go over the pricing. Yes, yep, the pricing and everything is there as well. So let's go ahead and see what I don't like. Look at this. What kind of shape of an egg is that? So you do have some of this going on inside of there. And then this is going to be what is down inside of my cracked egg. I'm gonna just call it a cracked egg because it's not a full egg. Let me get that out. The first thing that I'm gonna be pulling out, it says Patchology Mood Patch Happy Place, Inspiring Tea Infused Aromatherapy Eye Gels. Tea infused, that sounds interesting. So this right here says that one pair is valued for $3. Soothing Calendula acts as an anti-inflammatory, while antioxidant evening primrose extract detoxes the under eye area, leaving skin smooth and renewed after chilling out with these gel eye masks. And one thing that I like to do is stick these actually in my refrigerator. So when I do go to put them on, and then I'll put them on, put a sheet mask on that's been in my refrigerator as well. So then everything is nice and cold and it feels so good on my nice clean skin. So there is one pair of tea infused eye masks. So there's number one. Number two, this is Elizabeth Arden of New York, and this says Daily Youth Restoring Serum. There are 7 capsules inside of here. It's valued for $12.41. This should help repair and strengthen the skin while boosting collagen renewal, minimizing fine lines, and plumping the skin. So you have 7 of them inside of here, and again, that is valued for $12.41. So there's that guy. The next thing is like the smallest little tiny thing of shower gel that I've seen from Molten Brown. I really do like the shower gel, but normally we get something that's like double the size of this. So this is a really small size, but I really do enjoy this body wash. So this one is Fiery Pink Pepper Body Wash. It's a 1 ounce, valued for $6.82. Blending notes of fiery pink pepper, tangerine, and elemi oil with ginger, this antioxidant-rich shower gel forms a luxurious lather on the skin to define against free radical damage with a spicy, stimulating aroma. And this one I have tried before, the spicy pepper, and I actually did enjoy it. So I'm excited to get another one. I just wish it was a little bit bigger of a sample in there, but there's that. Then we have the next item is, it says Lip Tint Hydrating Balm. This one right here is valued for $34. Crafted in Italy with the highest quality pure botanicals, this creamy balm is formulated with rose and cherry fruit extracts, giving the lips instant, long-lasting comfort and smooth, gliding moisture. And it says Beach Rose is the color. How do you say this brand? Is this Chanticleer or something like that? Theresa's Dead always talks about that brand, and I don't, is that what this is? Is that how you say that? I'm not even quite sure. Like, I love this beautiful blue, and this is like a heavy metal like feeling. This feels really, really high quality. So I'm liking the packaging. And again, this is valued for $34. And that's what that looks like right there. This feels nice. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, it's just a straight balm. So there's barely color to it at all, even though it looks like that. It feels amazing. It feels really nice. So I'm really glad that I got this in here. And I've never tried that brand before. So that's interesting. And I like the packaging. And I love that blue color. That is beautiful. I love that packaging. This is an AHA Resurfacing Sleep Serum. I've seen this brand a lot. I normally get a lot of like the soaps, mainly the charcoal type soap bars. And I've enjoyed those. I've never actually seen something like this. So I'm actually really excited to try this. This is valued for $100, you guys. Whew. Sleep Smarter. Wow. Oh, I'm so excited to try this. So this is, again, 1 fluid ounce valued for $100. Formulated for all skin types, this 15% AHA, where'd my knife go? Blend of lactic, galactic, and citrus acids, plus activates from wild plum and goji berry, is proven to resurface dull skin for a smoother and brighter complexion. And that's what the packaging looks like. Nice glass bottle. And is it like a dropper? Yes. So you have your dropper here. You have the button on the top to press and get more out. That is really $100. Holy moly. Sleep serum. I'm definitely going to be using this. I bet you it's going to work amazing. I'm so excited to actually try it. It kind of had a weird like scent as I pulled away, and I wanted to check, and it was this. It has like a weird kind of scent to it. I smell it. So there's that. And again, valued for $100. Okay, so the last item in here is from 111 Skin. This is the Rose Gold Radiance Booster. This is the 0.3 fluid ounce size, and it's valued for $67.50. I know the full size is always like 100 and something, so I can imagine half the size being that price. And that's what the packaging looks like. And that is the Rose Gold Radiance Booster. Again, $67.50 for this guy right here. So everything all together, the total retail value for everything in this Spring Beauty Egg would be right here. That would be for the Rose Gold Skin Boosting Serum. You have the smallest little gel, shower gel to try out, but I do enjoy this one, so I'm excited to get it. We have the Night Serum, which I'm super, super excited to try that out. You have a lip balm, which feels amazing, and I love this packaging, and it feels hefty. And then you have the Elizabeth Arden capsules to try out, and then you have the eye mask. So that is everything, you guys. Comment down below and let me know what you thought about all the products that were inside. You also do have a reusable tin, as long as your delivery person didn't use it like a hacky sack like mine. You would have had this really pretty egg. I mean, that looks gorgeous. It looks like I don't know. I just really think the outside of this is beautiful. I'm gonna try to see if I can fix this, but I really doubt that I can. You probably would have had a nice little reusable hat box to put in too if it didn't come like this. So there's that. And yeah, so if you guys want to see if this is still available, I do have a link down below. That link should give you the 22% off. It should already be in the link. If by chance it doesn't, put in the code Tracie, T-R-A-C-I-E, and that will give you 22% off if you would like to purchase this. When you do get their beauty box, the good perk about having it is you get the sneak peeks to all of these limited edition boxes first before anybody else knows about it. So you can pre-order it, and most of the time you get it cheaper from being a subscriber. So you save money on all of them as well. So that's just an amazing perk of being a Look Fantastic Beauty Box subscriber. So that is everything for this particular video, you guys. Again, comment down below. Let me know what you thought about the products inside. I just really wish that this didn't happen, but again, it's me. It's gotta happen. So there's that. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.